Alright, so this is a $450 budget build that is on sale now, but please keep a note of the description of this video, as I will be updating the description in the comment section. There will be a pinned comment saying when all of these builds sell as I make them. But this is a $450 budget entry-level gaming PC. This isn't a PC that's going to be getting you ultra 1080p settings. This is more of a PC for medium 1080p settings, a very entry-level build, and the specs of this will be in the description below. But starting with Rise of the Tomb Raider, an overall pretty intensive game. This desktop is getting around overall 50 FPS on 1080p medium. So again, not super high performance. This is a very budget $450 entry-level PC. And if you were to get a graphics upgrade with this PC later on down the line, whenever you would be able to, you'd be able to put something like an RX 570 or an RX 580 or just something that would be a nice upgrade over what's currently in it, being an RX 560. But off to the next benchmarked game. There will be a series of 3. Okay, so the next game on the list is Rust, and looking out at the water in Rust, getting about 56 FPS looking out at the water. When I look towards the trees, it definitely drops down, as trees do have a high performance impact, to around 40 FPS looking at the trees. And again, this is not a high-end computer. This is an entry-level gaming, and in my opinion, this is entry-level gaming. And on PC, that is. And entry-level gaming on PC is going to be around console levels of FPS if you're on a really tight budget, which is what this desktop is for. And the next and final game will be Astroneer on medium settings. These are the settings for Rust. Before I forget, let that focus there. Just pretty much everything tuned down. But again, Rust is a very high performance game. This game even gives my 2080 Ti trouble, so I'm not surprised here. Okay, and so for the final game, this is Astroneer, and in-game on medium settings, we are getting around 70 FPS, so that's about what I would expect for Astroneer and the other games. So, as I stated before, this PC is on sale. I ship anywhere in the US, and please keep an eye on the description and the comment section to find out when it has sold, and if you're interested in buying, you can leave a comment below, and we can trade some contact information. But I do ship free shipping anywhere in the US on all of my products. Thanks for watching.